Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to use the XLOOKUP in Excel. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Firstly, open the Excel spreadsheet containing your data. Then select an empty cell where you want the result of your XLOOKUP to appear. Then select an empty cell. Once the cell is active, you'll see a blinking cursor in the formula bar. You're ready to begin typing your formula. Begin typing your formula by entering XLOOKUP, and you'll need to specify your lookup value, the item you want to find. Next, you need to tell Excel where to search and what to return. For example, your employee IDs are in A10. You want to return to their corresponding job roles from D to D10. The formula would look like this. You have the lookup array and the return array. At this stage, you can close the formula with and press it if you don't need any advanced options. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.